Great day, kings and queens. This message is for our Pisces collective audience for the week of June 5th through the 11th, 2022. Okay, let's get started. What message do we have for our Pisces audience for the week of June 5th through the 11th, 2022? What message? Thank you. Queen of Wands, Magician, Hangman, Ten of Wands, King of Wands. Okay, Pisces. The first thing I see in this spread is the king. It started with the Queen of Wands, ended with the King of Wands. It makes me feel like you are heading in towards a more stable commitment in your relationship. I feel like you do have more options coming in, or you're realizing you have more options, there are some of you that may be confused about which way to go, but I feel like there's something that's going to be happening this up and coming week that helps you to make a decision as far as where you're wanting to go. Well, let's look deeper into it. Spirit, what message do you have for our Pisces collective audience for the week of June 5th through the 11th, 2022? What message? Let's clarify. First message, Spirit, for our Pisces audience. Okay. Okay. Wow. Okay, well, family wishes coming true. June, which is the month we're in. Turkey. That was saying someone was behaving stupidly, but it's reversed. So it makes me feel like someone has kind of changed up how they're behaving towards you. I did have the woman here. Some of you, for my male audience, are having some kind of issues or feeling overwhelmed by a relationship with a woman. And some of you are frustrated about a woman as far as a third party, or as far as a woman, bringing you some kind of stress, and then some of it may be work related. I do have a vulture here, but it's reversed, which is showing something about coming out of Pisces. Were you going through a period of depression, and it had something to do with your significant other? That's what it's looking like. And flag. Don't be tempted to lower your standards. So Pisces, just because someone else is doing something doesn't mean you have to indulge or have to one-up somebody. How you carry yourself is going to speak for itself anyway. What other message? Spirit. Okay. Thank you. For some reason, they're telling me to take that one close to it. Okay. Now, there's a torch, which is in reference to enlightenment or spiritual development. So, Pisces, it feels like maybe you were going through a phase where you were not understanding why things that were happening were happening. That chain is here in reference to a chain of events that affected your life or will be affecting your life this month of June. Purse. Pay attention to your finances, Pisces. Door. Opportunities are waiting for you. Finger. Warning of a problem either now or in the near future. And I feel like there's something that's bothering you now, Pisces, and I feel like it's about to come to a close for this month of June. Horseshoe. Good luck. Older woman. Dealings or relationship with an older woman. bag. Okay, Pisces, have you put your life on hold? Are you missing out on financial stability or security because you're afraid to take this step as far as a new job opportunity here? They're telling you to go for it because it feels like that'll help you to get your finances back in order. Two more cards, please, for Pisces. One more, please. Thank you. The dog, which is a protection from a powerful friend. And be careful not to take risks. Okay, so I think those risks, Pisces, are in reference to your spending. I need you guys to watch your spending this week right here. I don't know if there's something coming up where something's breaking down where you're needing the money for that and you're going to wish you hadn't, but I do feel very strongly, and I don't know why I keep feeling like a refrigerator, but I need you to be careful about your spending. You'll thank me later. Let's see. Okay, Spirit, what other message do we have for our Pisces collective audience at this time? Okay, phone call. Somebody else was getting a phone call. What message do we have for our Pisces collective audience? Mind your business. Stalker energy. Sneaky, shady person. Calm before the storm. Okay, Pisces. Either you guys are snooping or spying on someone else's personal business, or someone else is watching you and talking on the phone with someone about you, or it's the other way around. But either way, Pisces, they're wanting you to not get caught up in the back and forth conversations, because the same people that are bringing you in news, they're carrying it somewhere else as well. And then underneath the bottom of the deck is going crazy. So it just feels to me like this drama, this chaos, or this hearsay stuff is gonna may end up leading to some, something physical if it continues. So don't give your energy to that. We too pretty to be fighting. We don't have time for that. Player. Somebody's pregnant. Right where it said screenshot. Okay, Pisces. Let's see. Snake in the grass. One more, please. Okay, Pisces, I wouldn't be surprised if someone is trying to make an advance towards the person that you're involved with, and your person kind of rejects them because the back page card is reversed. And I feel like there may be some kind of screenshot or some kind of proof, like your person having receipts that this person made some kind of sexual advance towards them. Watch your circle, Pisces. What other message do we have for our Pisces collective audience at this time? Okay, I'm doing too much. Let me see. Okay. Let's see what that. I saw one reverse itself. Backfiring. Okay. Murder, suicide. Okay. Suspension. Toxic poison. Okay, Pisces, I don't know if this is saying you're going to be hearing news about a murder-suicide. And, well, it was an attempted murder-suicide because it feels like it backfired. Well, that's not cool. Let's see. Don't make me. Okay. Something about your brother. Happy for you. Voodoo doll. I think this came out for you the last time, Pisces. Voodoo doll and spiritual war. Let me get more clarity before I say anything about this one. Social gathering. Termination. Some of you are having issues on your job. I see termination for some and suspension for others. Something's going on at work, Pisces. And some of you are wanting to leave and they're telling you this is not the right time. Or maybe you're worried about being terminated because you got suspended. But they're saying this is not a right time to be making a move. Okay, Pisces, I keep getting something in here about a woman trying to sell her body to your man or trying to proposition your man because she wants something of value. Can you please clarify why the brother card is here? Older man. Your brother is an older man? Happy for you. Okay, Pisces, something about an older brother. I don't know. Trip. Pisces, are you and your older brother having a disagreement? Someone that's passed on is saying that there's some kind of drama or some kind of chaos between you and an older brother, or some kind of tension there. And someone that's passed away, they want the two of you to apologize and be good to one another. I can't make it up. Look. There's brother, older man. There's a trip here. Okay, so maybe you and your brother live at a physical distance and you got into some kind of disagreement, or you've been fighting since the person that you love passed away. But you're being told, like, very sternly to apologize and be good to one another. You weren't raised like that. False friend. Okay. And I can't make it up. I'm telling you, you got a false friend here who's trying to get something of value from your person. Paying attention. They want you to pay attention, Pisces. Pay attention to what's going on around you. Watch your friends. Watch your circle. Separation. Oh. Okay. I'll break it down in a minute. Justice of karma. Okay. That's not your friend. Keep getting it. So we had it earlier. False friend. They're saying that's not your friend. And whoever this is, they say they warned you about this person before they passed away. And then this is they're saying is big penis energy, or smooth with it, like a man with like charisma about himself, like he's got a lot of swag about it. Or this is a female that's real, that she's like laid back and chill. And this could represent you, Pisces, being like laid back, or this is you know, big penis energy. Like you don't have to announce it. You know, it's okay. So they're saying that your person kind of turned them down because, like, they're satisfied with what y'all got going on. And it says they're getting theirs, but they're keeping it quiet. Okay, so whoever this is that you're dealing with, Pisces, they're saying that they're not trying to stray away from home. It feels like they're more than sexually satisfied, and they're enjoying your company. And I feel like whoever this is that's going behind your back trying to sleep with your friend is going to receive some kind of karma or justice for this. Wow. Shame, shame, shame. Let's see. Spirit, what other message do we have at this time for Pisces? The Horse King. The Map Maker of Destiny. Pisces, you're trying to decide which direction to go in. Opposition. Optimism, I'm sorry. Optimistic about it. Okay, kindness. Resurrection. Surrendering to change. Okay, Pisces, I see either you rising from the ashes, your relationship rising from the ashes. I feel like, and that could be also in reference to, you know, they thought they had gotten rid of you at work, and you're back. And you're swinging the door open, and like, you know, who's got a problem with it? I'm here. Let's see. Uh-oh. Drilling holes. Drink more water. Pisces, watch your water intake. Start taking in more water. Feels like some of you may be doing a little bit of swelling and having headaches. It's because you're not hydrated. Falling out of love. Being honest. So Pisces, maybe you and your person were having some issues, and this fake friend, getting somebody being fake, tried to come in and move, you know, move in on your dude or your female. Flash from the past. Peeping through the window. So Pisces, some of you have an old friend that's resurfacing, that's trying to, they've been watching your life from behind the scenes, or social media, or some kind of way where they keep trying to keep up with what's going on, and they want your life because they're miserable. You also, Pisces, some of you have somebody that's trying to come back in and letting you know that they still love you and wanting to be with you. Okay, you've known them since a little girl. Our ancestors watching, so they're going to handle that situation. Two-faced. So this lady, or man, yes, is lesbian. So it could be lesbian or gay, but this person, their sexual preference is either the same sex, or sometimes it's the opposite sex. But you know, that lets me know there is some kind of sexual indifference going on here, or some other kind of sexual preferences here. Let's see. Spirit, what other message do we have for Pisces at this time? Moving on. It was reversed. So maybe it feels like you were stuck in the past and you are in a place of making some changes. Win or lose. I'm in it to win it. Master. Master means you're not letting people come and tell you stuff. You are having back. You have your heart under control. You're not flying out the handle every time somebody says something you don't like anymore. And it feels like you're able to teach that, or showing someone else how to get better control of their emotions as well. So I feel like you were doing a lot of worrying, and you were like overly emotional, overly sensitive, hot-tempered, and that's not within your character to be that way. And opportunity is beckoning. Okay. Spirit, what are the messages, if any, do we? Man holding a coin. Action. I see excitement coming back in for you, Pisces. Because you feel like your energy, things have been kind of stagnant. Healer of ages. That's Jesus coming in, offering healing and protection. The temple path. Broken heart. It's reversed. So there's a healing of your broken heart here. One more, please. One more. Caring connections. Okay, Pisces. So it feels like your love life is turning around for the better for you. And for some of you, it feels like there's a new or a better connection coming in. And you're realizing that. And it just feels like this is helping your heart to heal. Spirit, what are the messages do we have for Pisces at this time? Oh, politics. Politics, let's see. Traveling. I got that twice, Pisces. Where are you going? Have fun. Existence. Okay. Okay, Pisces, it feels like maybe you were putting your life on hold and now you're starting to really, live again. You're more aware of what's going on around you. Feels like everything was kind of blocked out and now you're able to feel and notice. And I get success. So, yeah, you got some good changes coming in, Pisces, because you took your heart off the shelf. Completion. You're finding somebody that's completing you or making you feel like whoa, they're flying. Comparison. Okay, Pisces, some of you are going to be able to look at comparing the old to the new energy, and I guess that represents size as well. It could represent size. That's what I heard. That's why I was laughing. And receptivity. And it feels like, Pisces, at one point you were at a place where you were blocked off and you weren't open to hearing the truth, and it feels like now you kind of extended your arms, and that's that song, Here I Am with My Arms Wide Open, being gracefully broken. Yeah, it just feels like you're open to light, to love, to peace, to happiness, and all these things. And look at that, I didn't even notice this. You see how this is water? That's a peaceful situation. This person is at peace, and I see that happening for you, Pisces. Courage. Okay, they said you couldn't do it. You didn't give up. You bend it for a little while, but you didn't give up. And now I see you coming right back with a vengeance. I think I heard that earlier too. Guidance. You're being guided back to where you feel like you lost it all at. So Pisces, you get a chance to hit the reset button in your life. And I feel like that's with luck. That's with love. And I'm hearing game of chances too. Creativity. Pisces, did you stop decorating? Did you stop making stuff? It feels like you're coming to a place where you're happy. And when you're happy, you're busy with your hands. You're doing things. You're making beautiful creations. And so it feels like you're going back to that way. Now that politics card came in, where it's saying like people in the past were able to, because it's in past tense, people were coming in saying what they thought you wanted to hear to get you to spend time, but they were, you see how that face is, that nice friendly face, but it's it's a snake charmer. That's basically what this is. So they were trying to draw you in to get your personal information so they can find out how they can mess you over. And for some reason, I definitely, with everything in me, I definitely feel like this may have something to do with work as well. See, what other message do we have for Pisces collective audience at this time? What do we have for our Pisces collective audience at this time? Okay. I don't know if you lost your temper with this man, Pisces, or he's about to lose his temper with you, and this is something where you go through this stuff and you get on so you can go forward. Or this is someone else that's, you know, showing up from your past that's upset because you were able to, like, they felt like they had you boxed in, and now you're showing like life still goes on, and they're not happy about it. Take it how it resonates, because there are different situations for different people. Okay. Okay. You're definitely going on a trip. I don't know what the 16th is, or is it 16 days? But I feel like there's a trip coming up. Pisces, it feels like it took a while, but something you wish for, I don't know if it was 28 days ago, when you were 28 years ago, something that you wanted more than anything else around that time. It feels like it's happening now, and it feels like it's too good to be true, but this is your season to have those things. Okay, the moon, things coming to light. That still goes into people trying. I don't care what situation you got going on. It's always gonna be somebody that tries to distract you or annoy you. But yeah, I see you getting encouraging words from others. The fox. There's a fox in here. I think that goes back to that fake friend. And here again, wow. I don't know why I got a Easter kind of energy off of this, and not saying this is happening around Easter time or it happened around Easter time. It makes me feel like you went into a shell for a while, and like the stone has been moved back and you're able to live life again, and people are trying to figure out how you made it. How did you make it without money? How did you make it? And then it feels like, you know, they thought they set this trap for you or that trap for you, and doors kept opening. People, you found yourself where people were just offering you things that you needed, and you didn't even tell anyone. It just feels like they just fell into your lap. But that was the universe making sure you knew that you are, you know, protected. You're protected from harm, and that was God letting you know He's not going to allow you to go without. What do we mystery we have for Pisces at this time? Yang. Come to the edge. Time to go. Not for you. Yin. Okay, underneath the bottom of the deck. And we got the Yang here. The Yin energy is things that are happening under the surface, like inner healing or inner work. The Yang is what you're showing people on the outside. So you're showing that's a fire. You're unstoppable. You are forced to be reckoned with. Like when they push you there, when they make you, give you no choice, it feels like you come back, you know, running the show. That's good. Spirit, what other message do we have for our Pisces collective audience at this time? Pisces. For the week of June 5th through the 11th, 2022. Oh. Bittersweet. Isolation. You're coming out of that. In the name of Jesus, you're coming out of that hole. Trickery. Renewal. That keeps going back to, you know, things that have happened. They thought they put you in a hole. They thought they buried you. Here you go. Coming back, leading. You're born as a natural leader. And you do it in a humble way. Enlightenment, wisdom, and grief. Okay, Pisces. It feels like you're healing from what broke you. You're healing from what was from what was sent to destroy you. It hurt. It was sad, but I see you healing. Let's look more at our tea leaf card. So here we have some more, another message for. Okay. Okay, this is bird perch. So Pisces, maybe in the past you didn't get the news that you wanted. Maybe that was in February. It just, and it's not that the universe didn't want you to have it, or God didn't want you to have it. He wanted you to go through those things that happened so you could see who you're taking with you to this next level. Who's earned the right to sit at your table. And I feel like you were worrying about that news or whatever, and I feel like this is the time where you're going to be getting it. Fair man, rose, that was in reference to your romantic life, crown. Okay, so I'm not sure if you were not having respect for the person that you were with and you took it for granted, and now you have a newfound respect for him because that crown is here, which is representing that, or this person did not have respect for you, or he didn't treat you with the dignity, he or she didn't treat you with the dignity that you deserve or respect. And I feel like now that time without you has made them see. Spirit, let's see what the angels have for our Pisces audience. Okay, it says you're at the end of a cycle. Didn't I tell you you were like a phoenix? You were bursting through from the, like you were being reborn. They're saying that they're guiding you to your next level of happiness. They're Grace and Antoinette, they're wanting you to start looking at seeing things from other people's point of view, and I feel like you do that already. They're saying victory is yours. Okay. They said prosperity is coming your way. Uh-oh. And we have Maya. Okay, Pisces, some of you are going back to school to learn a new trade, and they're encouraging you. I feel like you've been thinking about it and not sure how to get back, into doing this, but it feels like something's falling into place. I don't know if you're getting some kind of flyer in the mail, or you're hearing a commercial on the radio, but I feel like something's prompting you to get back into school or learn a new trade because it's going to benefit you later on. What other message do we have for Pisces this time, Spirit? What message do we have for Pisces this time? Thief. Pisces, remember earlier I said watch your money, watch your spending? Thief is here. Great fortune. Pisces, you may be entitled to a lot of money and somebody's trying to block you from getting it. Maybe some kind of, I heard something about a large settlement. False person. That goes back to that false friend from earlier, I believe. Toil and labor. So they thought that they were messing you up, and here we got a mature woman. Okay. Having to work harder to make ends meet because they thought they sabotaged you, and I feel like they lost it all because with their lying tongue self, something happened so that the truth comes out, and they were the ones that ended up getting terminated. Got a wealthy man and a main female. Okay, Pisces, I see there is a reason to remind you again to watch your spending. I don't know It feels like there's a wealthy man coming into your circle if he is not already, or maybe he's about to come into a large sum of money. And I feel maybe this was some type of inheritance. Someone close to him passed away, but it feels like there is, you know, an answer to your financial issues coming into play. And something about the June card. Okay, so yeah, you got a change in your finances coming in. Okay, Pisces, I hope this video was able to shed light on your situation. If it resonates, make sure you let me know in your comment section. Please feel free to like, share, and subscribe to this channel. If you're interested in future readings from Spiritual Blackbird, I'm wishing you all love and light. And until the next time, kings and queens, be blessed.